Hey there, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today I'm making some quick sunflower cookies. I'm using stiff foil icing and an Ateca 150 ribbon tip, and I'm actually just placing my tip against the cookie and then going an up and down motion to make the little petals. I'm just going to continue to go up and down all the way around the cookie, cleaning off my tip as I need to in between petals until I get all the way around. And then once I'm all the way around, I'm going to do the same thing in the center of the cookie with little tiny petals, but this time I'm holding my tip upwards. So the bottom of the tip is touching the cookie, but the top of the tip is pointed up at maybe a 45-degree angle. And if you need to, you can use a dampened paintbrush to fix any of your petals. And I'll just fill the center with some brown icing and let this cookie dry. Once it dries, I'll use a little bit of more brown icing and a paintbrush to add some texture to the top by just tapping up and down. And that's it. These cute little sunflowers are done. Let them dry completely and then they're ready to bag. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. I have new cookie tutorials all the time. See you next time.